R&Y AC compressors. Reliability you can trust, verified at every step. Remanufactured AC compressors deliver the performance of new units at a fraction of the cost. Each one is carefully rebuilt, tested, and verified to meet strict standards. And it's not just about performance, it's about responsibility. Every remanufactured unit keeps usable materials out of landfills and back on the road. It starts with a complete cleaning process. Each component is then carefully inspected. Behind every rebuild is a controlled process, ensuring every component meets our performance standards. Worn or faulty parts are replaced, and every unit is reassembled with precision, ensuring consistent, reliable performance. Before it leaves our facility, each compressor undergoes a series of rigorous tests, including functional testing, stator testing, magnetic field testing, pressure decay, submersion testing, leak detection, and performance verification under load. But we go even further. Our in-house AC service shop allows us to validate performance on real vehicles, ensuring every unit works where it matters most. Each compressor is properly oiled and prepared for final finishing. Then it's carefully packaged to ensure protection during transit and shipped quickly to get you back on the road. At R&Y AC Compressors, our remanufacturing process goes above and beyond, delivering quality, reliability, and performance you can depend on. R&Y AC Compressors, built to perform.